Today we are going to start standard form by using exponent. So let's start. Okay, let's take a number. For example, so this is 3 millions if I say in international form. So if I want to convert this 3 million into standard form, then we have to do like, okay, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros are there. So this will become 3 into 10 to the power 6 because 6 zeros are there. Okay, so first one was the easy one. Okay, now take a difficult one. Okay, so this is 39,250,000. Okay, how to convert this into a standard form? See, standard form, the first number should be less than 10. See, 3 is less than 10. So we have to make a number which is less than 10 and multiplied by 10 to the power something. So we have to fill this two boxes by using exponent. Okay, this number you have to remember, this should be less than 10, but this should be any number. Okay, if I want here a less than 10 number, then we have to calculate how many digits are there if I take this as 3.925. Okay, how we got 3.925? Because 3.925 is a number which is less than 10. Okay, now how much number will be 10 to the power the number? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So the decimal will be here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this will be 10 to the power 7. And this number will become 3.925. Three 0.925. Okay, now let's take a smaller number. Suppose I give you 0.32594. Okay, this number I have to convert it into standard form. So what we have to do? So the first number should be less than 10. But obviously this should be less than 10 but more than 1. Less than 10 but more than 1. Okay. So if I convert this number into less than 10 but more than 1, this will become 3.2594. Just change this decimal to here, and since I change the decimal position of one digit, see, it was here and now it is here. So I change one position So this will become to the power minus 1. Okay, why minus 1? Because if you divide this number, okay, first you have to multiply it by 10. Okay, what is the process behind it? It is nothing but you have to multiply this number by 10 and divide it by 10. So then 0.32594 into 10. So we have to do like this, because 10 by 10 means 1. I can multiply 1 with any number, then I will get answer that number itself. So 0.32594 into 10 will become 3.2594, and this divided by 10 will become 10 to the power minus 1. So this will be the exponential form, or we can say standard form of this decimal number. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.